Hello everybody, today we're making a super easy dinner. All will be baked in one pan. This is chicken and rice with sausage, shrimps, and lots of vegetables. So I hope you're ready for a very fulfilling dinner that is super healthy with low calories, high in fiber and protein. So let's do it. First thing first, turn our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Fill a 9x9 baking dish or a 4-quart casserole dish with a 1/4 cup of long-grain rice. Rinse and drain with water for a couple times to remove stray starch and dirt. Add 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 2 tablespoons of heart-healthy olive oil. Stir and spread out the rice in the bottom evenly. Optional, some red pepper flakes for a kick if you like. Now it's our vegetables. Chew and half to 3 cups of frozen vegetables. This will provide us plenty of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Spread the veggies out. Now we have some cuttings to do. Chop 1 stalk of green onion. Moving on to our protein. First up is chicken. 1 large boneless, skinless chicken breast. Cut it into half-inch thick slices. Next, 1 link of Italian sausage. Squeeze and pluck. Drop them into the dish. Our final ingredient, shrimps. We want big ones here, so the best would be jumbo shrimps. We need about 12 of them, but really add more or less up to you. Arrange them on top. Now we cover our dish with aluminum foil. Poke a few holes on top for steam to escape, then it's ready for the baking. Now we bake for 45 minutes. Remove the foil, then bake for additional 15 minutes, and our dinner will be ready. Nice! Now last 15 minutes of baking so that our sausage get more brown and more flavors, while the rest of the liquid gets to evaporated. We're so close to our delicious dinner. Here we go! I can't wait! Last thing, sprinkle on some fresh green onion. Make sure you wear your gloves, the dish is still super hot. And that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and the recipe. Before you go, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons. That will help me a lot and I appreciate that. More cheap, healthy, and easy recipes coming. I'll see you next time. Bye!